Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris, I'm the teacher here. This lesson is made at the start of the year 2020 in January. It's part of a new series of lessons about British words and vocabulary. As you know, one of the main focuses of my lessons online is about British English to help you with that, and I'm going to talk about rubbish in this lesson in terms of the word and how we use it in the UK. It's very useful, it's common, and it has three uses that I'm going to describe here, maybe other ones too. I will use some examples. Please use the captions or subtitles which are available. You have to make sure that your video player is using them. Please do that now. And in the notes on Facebook or YouTube, have a look below the video or above. You will see some notes there with the examples written down and some explanations and definitions. This is the page for the Facebook video, by the way. Rubbish. Well, let's start with its use as a noun. We can use it as a noun or an adjective. This way it's synonymous with American words like waste, trash, junk and garbage. Waste we use in the UK, sorry, that's a British word as well. But trash, junk, garbage are common American words, I believe. So we're talking about when we throw things away we don't need, there's a pile of rubbish. As a noun, this is the meaning here. And we can use it as part of a chore. Don't forget to take the rubbish out on Thursday night. This means that in the morning the bin lorry will come on Friday morning. So on Thursday we should take the bin and put it next to the road so that the people can take it and dispose of our rubbish for us. That's one use of rubbish, quite common and simple, I hope. Another one which you might not know is as a synonym for nonsense. Don't listen to him, he's always talking rubbish. We can use it to describe the words, the opinions of people that we don't agree with. If someone says something you don't agree, you could just say rubbish, although it might be a little bit rude or not the most effective way to participate in an argument. It depends how drunk you are, I suppose. And another meaning, the third one that I wanted to tell you about is as an adjective, to describe something very bad. Let's say that you have recently been to see a film at the cinema and you didn't like it very much at all. You could describe it as rubbish. You shouldn't bother with that new film everyone's talking about. It's really rubbish. You might know which one I mean. You can use it to describe anything, though, where the quality is very poor. But it does have a very negative meaning. It's not rude necessarily, but the meaning is very negative. In this way, it's useful. And it is very much a slang, a colloquial British word. So if you're going to pop over here, please do add it to your active vocabulary. It will really help you communicate with the locals. I've added the link to the Cambridge Online Dictionary page as well for rubbish. You can check it out and see what it's all about. Thank you for watching. That concludes this lesson on 3 uses of rubbish. I think they will be I think they will be useful if you come to the UK. My name's Chris. I'm making this for the Learn British English Free channel on YouTube. There we are. And like I said, it's on the British English page on Facebook. If you have a look there, you can also find the Learn English Free public group. And I'll pop it on the website as well, www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. You might want to contact me for private lessons. These are ones we can do one-to-one on Skype or Zoom. You can email me for those, but remember, because they're private, you'll need to pay. So send me an email if you have some special reasons to do lessons or you're preparing for an exam like IELTS. I might be able to help. We can always have a chat about it. Thank you, everyone. As I say, this is part of a new series of lessons. There will be more soon in January, February, and March 2020 at least. So please do join us on YouTube, Facebook, and all the other sites. I look forward to seeing you then. Good luck with your English. Bye for now.